Yo guys, it's your boy Car and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to my friend's birthday party, which is at a K1 Speed, which is pretty much a like go-karting and like racing go-karting. So I'm gonna vlog there. Hopefully I can put my GoPro mount on the helmet so you can get some cool clips, and it should be a pretty lit birthday. So let's go to that right now. Roll the clips. So guys, as you see, or as you can hear, we are at the K1 Speed, that I said, for his birthday. We are a little bit early, well a little, right? A little bit early. So we're just gonna chill here, watch people race. And what? Are you imitating me with my hand?
No, I want to be in it. I look nice.
Yeah. Hear me, but we're about to race. Hopefully this looks good. Go down a little bit. What?
What'd you get?
Nothing?
What?
Oh, 55. So we're going, we're good. Alright. I don't think I can fit!
At this point, Ethan knew he screwed up.
Right now we're going for round 2. Right now. This time I didn't know I got 4th.
Wait, did you go put away your cooking?
Yeah. Go, okay. I just put it in my backpack.
I swear to God, if you do that again.
Prediction.
If you really, I will. Because I'll be in first this time.
What do you mean?
I was in 4th last time. I'm coming in first this
The
time.
second I get out of the failure, you just see me go. Man, so close to third.
Ooh, top 3. Top 3. Ooh.
I tried to go around the mini. You guys are all.
Thank you.
The first thing Fran did was like.
Stop. I was right there. What's up, guys? So it is the next day. Sorry for the weird transition, but right now we are going for a walk, or I'm riding my, or not a walk, but little run, I guess. I'm riding my scooter and my mom's running. So I'm gonna put the GoPro on the helmet like I did when I was riding the go-karts. So let's do it. Let's go to the helmet cam right now. Yeah, we made up the hill, and now we're going down a hill, but this hill's pretty sketchy because at the end of the hill, it's like so skitty, so hopefully I don't die. Like you can kind of see it from here. Oh God! Oh, I'm going so. Okay, I slowed down. Look at this though. If you're going like full speed on this, yo, you gotta be like perfect. That's sketchy as hell. Gosh. Why are you gonna throw up?
Because I tried my mountain meal.
Oh my God. Oh.
The multi-meal.
Can we just get back to running? After some cool tricks and down hills and going up hills and throwing up, finally made it back home. Well, almost. You'll see the Mini Cooper right there. I'm gonna make it back home. Here we. What's up, guys? So we made it in Walmart, and I got this because it's easier to like hold and stuff, and plus I can put it on like a table and I don't have to like change out and put like a different mount on it. So yeah, it's pretty useful. So, and a good price. And right now I think we're going to Ross, so yeah. Right, so we just came out of Walmart, got what we need, our stuff. And now we're going to Ross to get a shower curtain because ours is absolutely disgusting. We need a Ouija board.
No.
Yeah, we should.
No.
Comment down below if we should do a Ouija board.
Oh my God. I don't need to buy
50 thumbs up if we do a Ouija board.
No.
1,000?
By yourself.
Oh wow. Why not? Why not?
I'm already screwed enough.
Exactly. So what's the worst that could happen? Okay, we're getting a Ouija board. New video coming out soon. So we just came back from Ross, and now we're at this boba place. So I don't really know what I'm getting, but yeah. So I got my drink. I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully it's good. Got boba in it.
I don't understand what a boba is. It's a tapioca bowl. Like, what's the purpose?
Oh, that's good. That is good, Mom.
It is good, huh? Split with your dad.
I got boba too. Like the boba.
Come on, friggin' come on.
Overall, that's 10 out of 10. Recommend that place. Alright guys, so we are home now. And so, as you saw, we went to the nail place. And we went to Walmart and got our stuff. And we went to Ross. And then before we went to K1 Speed. So, this is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to share the video with your friends, family, and also share my channel like that. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Sweet!